how to enable all notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable all notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud and then click library, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then scroll down until you find this one, enable all, and just turn this on. And as you see, all notifications have been turned on, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.